Bonjour, je m'appelle Pierre, and as you can see, I am very French because my shirt has stripes and I am wearing the beret. So of course, I am French. And the mustache means that I am a man. And so today we are going to be discussing the topic of gender in the French language. Yes, gender. So, some of you may be aware that in French, some of the words, the nouns in fact, have a féminin, feminine. How do you say it in English? Bah, you understand. And the other words, some of the other nouns are masculine. Zut, hein. Bah, c'est difficile, hein? Anyway, it is very simple to tell the difference. You just are born in France, and then you grow up speaking French, and then you know which of the words are masculine and which of the words are feminine. I am kidding, of course. There are other ways. But seriously, sometimes it is just weird. For example, most of the time, if the word is féminin, it ends with an E, or as we say in French, E. So, it is very simple. If you see a word that ends with an E, then it is féminin. That must mean, of course, that all of the other words are masculine. Tada! It is so easy. You can figure it out, no problem. Mais zut alors! Of course there are the problems. It is a language. It was made by the humans. The humans are not very organized. They cannot agree on anything. So, I have a theory to explain why some of the words do not follow this easy rule with the E being feminine and everything else being masculine. I think that they put the words on the wall. And then they took some darts. Some of the darts were white and some of the darts were black. And then they threw the darts at the wall. And if the dart that was white hit the word, then the word was masculine. And if the dart that was black hit the word, then the word was feminine. And of course, there are always the words that are both. I am just kidding. With the nouns, that is not a thing. Now, of course, there are also the adjectives. The adjectives are very different than the nouns because the gender of the nouns does not ever change. But the adjective changes depending on who you are describing. Of course, that makes sense. That is also why the adjective has to come after the noun, because you need to know what you are describing before you describe it. Did you hear what I just said? The adjective comes after the noun because you have to know what you are describing before you describe it. This is very important. Of course, there are some adjectives that come before. Again, it is a language made by the humans and they can never agree. But don't worry, there are some things to help you. We will talk about it later. I promise. Oh, so, anyway, back to the adjective. So, the adjective follows the same rule as the noun. If the adjective has an in English it is a E. Very confusing English. If the adjective has an E at the end of it, then it is feminine. And if it does not, then it is masculine. It is that simple. Oh, but Pierre, what about all of the people that are not feminine or masculine? Ah, that is a super good question. Don't worry, for them, they just use the masculine because the masculine has less letters, and that we all know the humans are very lazy. And if you do not have to make as many noises or write down as many letters, wouldn't you choose that? I would. Masculine is all of the gender except for feminine, and then it is feminine. And so, to recap, in French, if it ends with an E, it is most likely going to be feminine. This is true for nouns, and it is also true for the adjective. And if it ends in, well, everything else, then it is probably masculine if it is a noun, or it is masculine or gender neither, gender non-binary, gender queer, gender fluid, gender not masculin or féminin. Ta-da! Voilà! Aha! I forgot something. There is another reason why some of the words are going to end with an E, but not be feminine. It is because we stole them. Yes, this is true. The French language loves to take words from other languages, especially English. So, if it is a word that has come from another language, then usually it is going to be masculine. Because again, masculine has less noises, less letters. We are lazy. We want to do the less thing. So, if we take the word from another language, then we will just make it masculine. Everything masculine. From the other languages. Except for pizza. Pizza is feminine. I don't know why. Maybe in Italian it is feminine? Do you know?